This is a selection of lifts on the Copenhagen Metro and Suburban lines, and yes, lifts all the time. So then, for those of you who don't know, I went on a day trip. Well, I would say it was a day trip, except it wasn't. It was actually a night trip. That's right, I flew over to Copenhagen in the evening and came back in the morning. So I spent the night in Copenhagen and I did not sleep. And as the Metro runs 24 hours a day, I pretty much went around in the middle of the night riding the Metro and the lifts. And along we go to the first lift, which is at Congens. And this is pretty much when I first arrived at Copenhagen at 6 o'clock in the evening. And this lift is a really nice Otis Gen 2. I don't know if it's an original Gen 2 or if it's been modernised into a Gen 2. Anyway, it's a really nice fast glass lift. Let's ride it. Now, along we go to Bispebjerg. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And the lift here is, well, it makes a really weird sound. It actually goes sort of like psst, psst, psst. It's really weird. Just take a listen to this. And by the way, this is actually not on the Copenhagen Metro. This is actually on one of the Suburban lines. Now, along we go to Vanløse, and this is at the end of the Copenhagen Metro, and I was here at about 3:30 in the morning, and the whole place is completely deserted. There's nobody about. It's like the middle of the night. The whole place is empty. And although the Metro runs 24 hours a day, the Suburban line doesn't. Well, some parts of the Suburban lines do run 24 hours a day, but not this part. And the Suburban station is completely empty. Just take a look at this. This station, like, middle of the night, deserted. It's so creepy. And along we go to the lift. Now, it's beeping traffic light time. And it's been pretty annoying if you live near one of these traffic lights, because when the red man's up, it beeps slowly, and when it's green man, it beeps really quick, because it's pretty much beeping non-stop. And one thing I noticed about the people in Copenhagen is they don't cross on the red man. It's quite weird, especially me coming from London, where everyone just crosses the road whenever they feel like. In Copenhagen, people actually wait for the green man, even when the road is empty. And since I come from England, I'm not going to wait for a stupid green man. I just cross the roads whenever I feel like. And I started to notice that everyone was like staring at me, like I was the odd one out. And it's only when I got home from Copenhagen I realised you could actually be fined for crossing on the red man. But hey, it's not going to stop me, is it? And now, along we go to the next lift, which is at Nørreport. And this lift's something I haven't seen before. This is a Thyssen, and it's a hydraulic lift, and it appears to have intelligent levelling. How can they have a hydraulic with intelligent levelling? Although it might not actually be intelligent levelling, it might just be like a really short bit of levelling that gives the impression of intelligent levelling. But nevertheless, it is like comes up to the floor and stops straight away. I've never seen this before on a hydraulic.
Døre lukker. Nå. Døre åbner.
And along we go to Frederiksberg. And just take a look at some of these metro stations. These stations look really posh. I mean, this is like a really awesome looking metro. It's completely automatic, no drivers at all, runs 24 hours a day. This is like the perfect metro system. This is so awesome.
Vesterhavn will have to take straight at the
And now along we go to Ørestad and along to the lift there. Right then, along we go to Christianshavn, and this station looks really awesome, and the lift there is a really nice 2 meters a second Otis 2000, and this is a really nice lift. Let's ride it!
Fyr op. Døre lukker. Udgang. Døre åbner. Fyr ned. Døre lukker. Herovre. Døre åbner. Fyr op. Døre lukker. Udgang. Døre åbner. Fyr ned. Døre lukker. Udgang. Udgang. Døre åbner. Fyr ned. Døre lukker. Herovre. Døre åbner.
Vestervejen er 2 skift på Buddinge. Due to maintenance, passengers will also from Vestervejen have to change train and leave.
And now it's ticking traffic light time. It ticks slowly on red man, it ticks really fast on green man. Now along we go to Buddinge on the suburban lines and along to the lift there. Now along we go to Copenhagen Central.